non-COVID-19 expenditure. Ben I watching me no ekomiensani and a mimi di kan shas ya. Na essence yete document and a Juma Auditor General why no asi yenti. Ya fought to ya hoso. Emma your research team, Adom Brands research team no. Wamun soso waman trase. Aye report no mu enhwehwemu ankasa I'm breaking it down. Edward no menimini akwakutum ehyaase. Oye senior researcher we sane ye kano. In fact with the research team when ya botre brother Edward no bekaya ye hwe niema bebre medical items ye accounting and afei transport and so ye hwe hwasem and ye kan but and then ye beto so na kwaku aha ene ba twetwe nkomo ni entia ene ya ba beduru ba bia ya duro yi anano me ne kwabna minta kando twetwe nkomo aha o kan ni pain and in fact I share the same idea and position with him say Ghana ha say abanka say COVID-19 ena ede abeduru ema ya wie say anwako ne adua eso okirem because per the Auditor General's report 22 billion Ghana cedis. And a COVID-19 about woman ni ayemfa ma 3 hot meals and ni ayemfa water bill ni ayemfa kra ambulance emra ni ayemfa koto vaccine ni ayemfa ntia transportation ni ayemfa nye insurance policy ni nyina no okay kabomu a sika no kwa ba
ya nuan CJ
bibia boko de
bibia boko
sika no ese ye mu hwehwemu
yes ese ye mu
ese Ghana 40 ase that no obi send me no interaction no
okay
and I say or enjoy pa the way I have to your boss here ye ni mako no or enjoy pa and I'm say and onya hu hwe because afena ye be ko detail ankasa kwaku and ye hwe damaged faulty equipment.
Yes.
And I share straight me that say.
But Osha on say Bimuka say Auditor General Nankasa as a Juma because the race can be on the finance minister cracker say Korean government any other sources even Sky JJ or Ghana no and also Yenya Bipa but Auditor General's report and capture the auditor Nangas also cry with my that's why I say my some revelations.
The auditor needs to be audited.
Yes. So yeah, money because I can be aka woman. I see audit and also near whom baby as I scan so because you spend this I scan so.
Yeah.
And send your kind medical equipment. So you can medical equipment infidie ye de buy Ghana ha no me bra na COVID na koso no. On say COVID ne buy engineer nim ye papa. Ne something novel. Ne be mad into no be beer health workers because omu hia no na say ekopeba into one of the things omu kopeba medical equipment ubehu table ayo at the table no beto so ubehu medical equipment you procure ni nyina and ohwa sika be $451,979.135 and ye kokra bae na say
no meba Yenbo ebuoni ye. I'm seeing 451,979,135.
Na okay. Now me face a point and 135
then that's 451,979,135.
I say muedu pa. Anya nkola sika. And Osha equipment the core regions no. Oha Greater Accra enyabi, Oti region enyabi, Eastern region enyabi, and a Western North and so enya sa medical equipment ibi. Meaning say you are the table na to honoma.
Enyamai eba pe mekum.
Se table ne ba ye behu equipment kwa ye cry. And send ya can 451,979,135. And Saska win the crass eye equipment, and see the Auditor General no eka also more visitors are we no na sa machines no na I break it down Also, we noted that during our visit to 9 health facilities in Greater Accra, OT, Eastern, Western, North, that the medical equipment procured at a cost of 451,979.38 to assist the fight against COVID-19 had broken down. Not just a machines no more buy and yeah, and so now break it down.
Machines, if you didn't know what crowd buy, you know, and yeah, Juma, and for say,
not say.
Machines in the audio, we are mebble machines.
No abobo. Until we are not say machines I say. And also could be medical officers or honum. And see the Auditor General can also the head of the facilities involved could not provide any reason for the anomaly. Nanja so could be say Musa DNT and machines are the at a cost of 451 million.
Don't me
any reason.
Just like that.
Just
machine
like
no I say esikano ashe ya boka.
Keke.
That is it.
Keke. And over a canoa, say over says we are not just a cover 4 billion Ghana cedi no. Nina Ashiegu. And see the Auditor General, so I recommend it. Also, we recommend that the Chief Director should ensure that the non-functional equipment is repaired and put to use. For the Auditor General, and so can. No, it's auditor, no, you're serious.
Yeah, inquiry pay. And one, no.
You see, the buy machine, no, be drew ya. Yes, sherry, the bay edgemano. And edgemano. Was the answer first cafu?
Inquiry pay. In fact, Obian Honma yes charge no. Will be nobody is being held
accountable
for such mismanagement.
Yes.
Such gross incompetence.
Why the crash our machines in the buy? And machine due diligence when the year was our machine. Ansana the buy. And we most of us our machines here are crab buy and so and go through procurement, public procurement and so we were in an emergency.
Yes. It was.
And since all the machines are banner break it down. As I saw the Tanankasa, Obubo Dinwaha, Nasa people responsible, no. See, let's search our Jim Crown and what you can be near the Akusis our machine. And send your more cannons to send a one bomb food truck as only a good baby. I say, just say a pack baby. How many years? Since 2020, 2022, yeah. Just 2 years. To make the machine bass a break it down. And
what sort of irresponsibility is this?
And over COVID-19 numbers by now. Other regions and a pressure any ho. I'll bet me I can say more use machine no crime and ebubu. No pressure be any.
No pressure be any ho.
Tia nipa sana chill.
There be.
Oko Western North and nipa sana.
Bono East ni mo
mo and so no sa machine ya de call ya yakotintima ya de ba behwe ayafo no. Yes na break it down as a nyadwuma. Now the turning so be cancel papa I say omunko sie chief director.
Yen koboka. Yen fan ko sie.
Ah sa machine yen use.
We are joking.
Scanner shiego.
We are agrokra na yedi. Kwaku yen kwanim.
Enti sa obe bobo
machine so are you a farmer me na fe yen bobo machine no yen hwe say machines ni nyina per this document no a World Bank and on my sika and ye dey procure
1 billion. Yes, $1 billion World Bank sika and no ye dey be koto
sa machines enti are you a farmer yen say na ode ma me na fe yen hwe enti o hwe document na that Facebook say yeah what details of the machine, quantity, source, unit price in dollars, unit price in Ghana cedis, with the value in US dollars and value in Ghana cedis, and a war table. So 80 equipment kind a patient monitor and we are told me source no a World Bank send a medical canon. Unit price in US dollars a $4,704 US. But unit price in Ghana cedis in India, anyhow.
That's what man so. And so then I calculate. Would be calculate what Ghana.
And a value in US dollars, you know, a year 9,408. Value in Ghana cedis, anyhow. Equipment at Tosumi, you know, a oxygen tube for patient monitor. Hey. tube tube and here to mako 30 source near World Bank kronwa unit price in US dollars any ho unit price in Ghana cedis and then 14 Ghana cedis. Are you 14 Ghana cedis on? Okay.
Now there back for 30 no. 30. It me 14 cedis.
Just back 14 Ghana cedis unit price. And I almost thought 30 and 14 times 30 near saying.
And in US dollar and so say buy and you be who because you know you cry buy.
Yeah.
It's in case you US dollar no. And some more convert to call.
US dollar in ho.
Because our brand na 5.6 CD to dollar ratio no. Na 5.6 in that 2020 no. In case you because say 30 and back will be now 14 cities are na sa time na US dollar term near saying once be a baby my just all the times man so no I show the way.
Yeah, for instance IV stand he say top 5 and na fe unit price in dollars no eniha but in Ghana cedis no 155 Ghana cedis it's 155 times 5 saying 155 times 5 Omatro 755 Ghana cedis linen trolley and so your tobacco dollar no eniha
equivalent na
ama Ghana cedi 2,100
and so at you procure in dollars in case you say dollar the internet wire blank to auditor no minim so preni hu say adwuma on wan ye you to auditor na so san de Pt.2 ba
your friend say nebulizer set you told me no $90 $21 aha no so cedi no ama baby a dollar ne buy no cedi na amba baby a cedi ne buy no
dollar ama
Jesus Christ of Nazareth
Jim FM
into one who asema yet ho
Jesus Christ of
Nazareth na auditor no a man forecast or print ho and answer one fanning in ama.
No, but how do you put this report out when it's not complete?
Enya complete because table may be a blank.
Also, make us information ya de ema no eno no.
Intinka esa recommendation or the shame.
Yeah, the shame.
But one fan shame.
One fan shame. And that is the more reason why people should be held responsible, accountable for this.
No. Until we no by now can see idea from.
I mean,
because the Ghana soon. Scan son pa. Intinka by now see idea from one bit him. Now the documents are back because they are lacking the auditor general and the report no. On the blank and kwana or hodum. Intinka figures ni na yehu. But anyhow, into auditor na
seriously, this very document here that Facebook here. Osha, so even say the way kwan poka semwa. Let's say Juma no auditor general wa ye no.
Eso sign Beyi.
Yeah. Because you can't present this. Now out of Niema 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I find 14. Equipment na procure you know. Ushe table no so baby unit price in dollar one unit price in cedi anyhow. Baby a cedi no so one dollar
anyhow.
Jim FM
Kwaku yanko enim.
Enti yanhwe the edibetwa to one ne.
Yanfa the edibetwa.
Na Edwada ya san baby o.
Because ya fa ne kakra.
Ya be hwe ni nyina one after the other.
Ghana hwe. Na no me penny bi pa Kwaku ma men kanse me. Na me ni di nkomo no. CJ, I have given up on Ghana. Na I'm so boss men kasa ebe ye. But sa wo hwe ni me bi say ya.
And over corruption perception index na buy na egina fa akon na is omo jidisa corruption no omo da so jidi omo nyini nti egina fa akon na is the fight against corruption ayede special prosecutor by mra de aba free 19 kwajo ho mansa musa time na is enya adwuma the go ye adwuma say improve
but every year ye nya sa report here bi. Every year, Public Accounts Committee.
No,
every year. every year.
Ubon so be a better ho. Yes, budget officer. Budget officer send a call. Also, be the Mr. Mo. Pamcho.
No.
I didn't purchase. No. Into the final one.
Now,
yes, medical equipment equivalent to $110,088 and $27,895 Ghana cedis. Yeah, they call private medical facility.
That's huge.
Yeah, they call
Investment.
private medical facility or Medina. Say Juma Ben or Modebe Amo Mino because facilities are they buy equipment they buy in public facilities and as they call. They go yes no. And so I buying this kind of crab by no. Omo you be the akoma private facility the NT equipment ne koye.
We noted that medical equipment valued at $110,088 and $27,895 Ghana cedis were issued to a private hospital by name Christ Leeds and Specialist Hospital belonging to Dr. C.K. Amenuveve in Medina, which did not serve as a COVID-19 isolation center.
Some kind of social name.
Or did not receive any COVID-19 patient. Not to say, if you didn't know, they call Amenuveve say why hospital we know. A one near the kind, not any COVID-19 isolation center. And I am for COVID-19 patient, but Kukra so one koto.
Into the engineer they call why interest. Why interest? And share recommendation Auditor General so the buyer. Also, we recommend that the Director General of the Ghana Health Service should use the COVID-19 fund for intended purpose. Shall you also?
And one. So near Auditor General so can say your best na also one Minister of
Chief Director
no on shena COVID-19 sikano ese ode dia ese ode and one no infidie no aka Amenuveve hospital
aka ho
Adom FM.
Okay, me who say recommend this. Okay, or say we recommend again another recommendation that the Chief Director should immediately investigate and see why the equipment went there and make Dr. C.K. Amenuveve should be made to pay for the equipment at the current cost. And he said, Doctor, na this amphibia in command.
Ma yengina afidie so na Dr. Amenuveve ye chiawa na pay. Madaroma. Eyo mining nyina yemfidie e na abegu aya resabia ho no. Nia Auditor General wo kanie. Say Chief Director no won hwe na tuaka. And dollar rate.
Yes.
Tuaka. When you say some fidie ni bra. Won kwa na onim kwa ya fidie ni fa so a.
Fa so be
dru ho. Wabra one COVID-19 patient ba kokora Antwaya Sabia.
Honso nya isolation.
Honso nya isolation center. Dr. Amenuveve.
It's the engineer this amphibia no crack ho in the first place.
Adaroma tiaka. Tiamfidianika because Oshe baby asisi I am a fokra twa won twe Ghana abo so sa bailout yi. Na ohwe sika abon man ne atititi kwan o mafa so yusu sika yi kwan bi say so a. It's annoying.
Very, very annoying. And no hands so I need to be as a 3 billion. Yeah,
compared 3 billion from IMF. Meanwhile, you're now over 19 billion Ghana cedis.
22. And since I'm crossing car with 3, in Tabia, I be 25 billion and 30 billion. Because in Saka, and you need to use in this Aska wing in a near who's a near San 3 billion there. And the Auditor General and over kind domelevo time and go say charge you. Go on fast idea with see and go jenny saying. Go say charge you a Chief Director When our hair na way by and is guy with Tria, near Van Gotte. And so we are common in Panoka. And all her current ratings were even ya be pa.
Kwaku, you better trust me, Medwada.
You better also.
In fact, you are doing a fantastic job.
Yes, but don't hear auditor now, as also some baby, because over the report and the baby or Honor Mountains one capture new money be. Minims and war print, we got auditor there and go with
No, but why the rush?
Auditor general. As auditor says, show us. Yes, into what Juma Claudio, as a
but auditor say, what Ghana Henina, what are your penny, sir? And think, oh, yeah, Juma. You don't leave rooms for.
Yes, but don't have for. They be on the Pt.2, Beba, because materials are Korean government, any other sources, MIS can be, and no capture or auditor general in him. Because I capture African Development Bank, World Bank, any bonds are government idea. Yes, IMF, Korean government there, and other
European Union for the capture.
Yeah. But don't have Korean government, German government, and other sources and capture. Meanwhile, scanners will be gum. I dear Dijuma. The auditor may be or the Pt.2. So yes, I dear Juma winners or sign of.
Welcome, I mean, I say.
But you are not.
Coffee rain.
On Adom FM.
Mama for course kakra. And command bo high to train it say
Come and remove your mask.
Say a German phone so adventure 0302216561 0302216562. You want to tell. If I be 5 calls na fi ya dey see 030225216561 0302216562. My mo share Facebook no contact phone lines no and a good Facebook no. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Omiya.
We got money.
Bafo we create message.
Yentu bafo.
Yes, ma ka jo say there. Send them back for say the make to baba me kro ma chi ma practice so nim ho a.
Ya ko asem so adaro ma.
Yes, e hona o ma pani ase enunyama o de the whole chief of defense staff e hono free.
Bafo awu ko asem no so na yenko.
Na me sije. Ayi anope wa ya de wadi juma som. Na aya na yaka auditors report ye kan ya de bi amoka na ya tro bi cedis, ya tro bi dollars. Na yenya no aya na sije me tiase wo baabi. Kai wakana ha kyerɛ obi ekoye dwuma na wonkɔtɔ de mrɛ abanya enye ni sika o ba no obɔ mu toko we no enye MPP abla so DJ aban bi aban da de na abɛkan sam ni bi obi kɔtena radio so sɛ ɔyɛ ɔhwenia sɛ na wɔnyɛ ɔhwenia wɔ NDC time ne car otumi tɔ obi 5,000 na wo na DJ abobo ya ne motoko ɛtɔ na he no obɛbɔ kunta tro kan kyerɛ wɔ man na wɔne ne yire ne ne ma da prawu enti DJ no de Auditor General Smithler no ejuma na Ghana ha ni na ewo na animguase ebe kan yin na say World Bank am obi sika dey face your man a odo no de ma wo enti safo na ewo mu som de omo si omo de omo na omo ko school and then ye ma school na ye free no obi akobia besia nyansa na omo de bebo kro no a yin na CJ yete ho
okay me da say bafo we me da say hello good morning hello good morning me ma join
But I'm very comfort.
Ante kwano ka friend.
So many.
Yentio, ma no so ma me yentio kwani.
But government radio was disappointed because one of the major topics until mutu abama no ni say onye corrupt. Na so share their cost. Ye hospital ne wu ko kwa fa draw wo be ji kwa wo unkita ska obiam hwe and see only hospital. She said no more disturb bata. That's it.
Me that's the comfort. Me that's the power. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
But my honest my voice in here faint pa. What is it? When? See Jenny. Hello.
see Ghana for omu dey jo. Adia Ghana for omu ayo. Inti who kasa so omu che. Who grandma no. Radio omu che enye.
Hello, good morning. Sorry. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Beba join me.
Papa, you number papa. Just saying, one you be our home. So one castle. Na bege stable go am kutu na wo hwe we ebu papa na na do na no call na men come
me da say kwajo yen fa two more calls yen fancy. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
About joining. Your brother saying? Kwame Ewa, o kaza friend. Thank you.
Masa aban de any all the treatment and the aban on the guy na omo nyina e koro. Obi aye papa. Uko general hospital. Masa. No be ko wa na say yeah. I want for play papa. That's one more time.
Okay, but that's it. Kwajo, my last call na fi yem fancy. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
About joining.
But your friend V8.
V8.
The friend so ya.
Okay, yenti V8. We last caller.
Oh, say yeah, pin mo ya ka jamo say before mo ya ni baboni for pa. But mo ya mo nti. Afena mo say mo ya ni baboni ni pa. This guy obi ahu so mo ya ni baboni pa. E ti sa no be they got for yeah, Sandy.
Well, 6 minutes after 9. I can say I'm faster than my Franco Trading Enterprise. Follow me on Facebook. Chief Jerry Forsen CJ. Oko Facebook say na what search what type of Chief Jerry Forsen.